Can we set Spotify songs as ringtone? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll talk about if we can set Spotify songs as ringtone in our mobile phone. So let's get started. So you might be wondering, like many others, that if you can use Spotify and use its song as a ringtone. So many of you might even have tried it, but it does not work. So the answer is no, you cannot directly set up a Spotify song in your mobile phone because of the DRM protection. Now, DRM is digital rights management, and it protects digital contents from unauthorized use and distribution. So that is basically, a safety mechanism for Spotify songs, which will prevent it from unauthorized distribution. So because of that, we cannot actually set Spotify songs as a ringtone on our phone. So I hope this answers your question, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.